As you have seen in this tutorial series, we have worked with Edgecam using an automated approach to create programs. For full control of processes, let's look at how we can make changes and edits to the instructions. The first tool being used is a 3-inch diameter face mill. Let's change that to a 2-inch diameter face mill. Either by double-clicking on the tool in the instructions list or by placing the cursor over the tool, right-clicking and selecting Edit, a dialog will then open. To change to another tool, press the Find button. You may need to turn off filters to show the tools in the tool store. Also, the picture buttons along the bottom are additional filters for each tool type. Here the tools are specifically for milling applications. Now we see a list of all face mills in the tool store. I will select the 2-inch face mill. You can refer to the Help menu to familiarize with all the options in each tab shown. Help for this dialog is accessed by clicking on the question mark button at the bottom left corner of the dialog. We can now press OK to accept the change and the instructions will regenerate. Let's now look at editing cycles. I will open instruction number 8 roughing cycle, which is roughing around the outside profile of the part. The cycle can be opened by double-clicking on the cycle in the instructions list, or by right-clicking on the instruction and selecting Edit, or finally by double-clicking on the actual toolpath. As you see in the General tab, there are many input options for you to control how the cycle performs. At the bottom of the dialog, speeds and feeds can be adjusted. Each tab has many options inside for adjusting to your preferences. Once adjustments have been made, click OK to accept, and the instructions will regenerate. By clicking on the Advanced button near the top right of the screen, all the controls appear for manual programming. Any instruction can be deleted. Selecting the instruction, right-click, and then select Delete. Instructions can be moved by clicking on the instruction and, while pressing the left mouse button, drag the instruction to where you want it to go. Instructions can be copied and moved by holding the Control key while dragging the instruction. Multiple instructions can be selected by holding the Shift key while clicking on the instructions. Try creating programs now on your own using this tutorial as a guide.